Open your mouth and see what your cat does.
Now,
To all our Hispanic and Mexican friends out there.
do you see his paws? He has got my hand from both sides.
Baby, come here. Baby, come here.
I literally can't see in the mirror. I'm just trying to get ready for work. Leave me alone.
What is going on? This is weird.
She just went right in with me.
So weird.
Good girl.
Oh my god.
Do you want to swim?
I'm done.
Stop.
Help me. Mega, come here. I don't know what his beef is with me.
You good?
Pull it. Come on.
Still pull that lamp over.
You trying to get that summer body ready, but also want to sleep.
Nice work, buddy.
Go get the balloon. Get it.
Leora, sit. High five. Oh, I got the smartest cat in the world. Have a treat, there's your treat, baby. Enjoy that treat, baby.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
What did you just say?
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
I texted my cat, and she thought it was the other cat.
Earl, your head is too big. No.
Earl, you keep getting your head stuck. Stop it. No, Earl!
Juju.
Today. Oh my God, what is that?